Hello everyone, welcome to Montauk Avenue. As you can tell from the photo, there's an avocado, an aloe vera plant, an African shea butter, and a Jamaica red pimento hair oil. So today I decided to do a DIY hair mask because, as you know, sometimes your hair needs extra moisture, and when it's feeling a little bit of dry, you want to incorporate key ingredients to help gain back moisture. So right now I'm scooping all of the avocado inside of the cup. Avocado has many great benefits for your hair. It has biotin, it has minerals that helps the hair look smooth and shiny, preventing it from breaking. Now that I'm done scooping up the avocado, it's time for the aloe vera. It has many great benefits for the hair. It has vitamins A, B12, C, and E. It helps to restore hair pH balance. It can increase blood circulation to scalp. Now it's time for the shea butter. It helps prevent hair loss. It has high content of fatty acids and vitamins. It helps moisturize and strengthen hair follicles. You also want to use a good amount of the shea butter, but not too much since it's a heavy product. Now it's time for the Jamaican red pimento hair oil. It helps to strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends, has antibacterial, antifungal properties, and help maintain a healthy scalp. In the video, I did 2 full spoons of the red pimento hair oil, but you could do 4 if you want, or you could substitute it for olive oil depending which oil you have in the house or whichever one you prefer. Up. I let it blend until it has like a smooth kind of consistency. As you can tell, it looks smooth, but it has a thin consistency. You can either leave it like that or stir it up to make it more smooth. So right now I'm just removing the shea butter from the spoon to scoop it in the container. So right now I'm stirring it all up to make it into a more paste-like consistency since it's thick, which will look like something like this. But again, it also depends on how you like your consistency. So this is me with the hair mask with the shower cap on top of my head. Depending on your hair texture, after rinsing out the avocado hair mask, your hair texture may feel different. But don't worry, just give your hair one shampoo again and conditioner of your choice to soften the back of the hair and to get the avocado smell out. And this is my hair after. My hair feels very soft and feel strengthening by the avocado hair mask. You guys should try it out if your hair is dry or you want a little more moisture. Enjoy!